Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn what is line and staff organization. What is the advantages of line and staff organization? What is the disadvantages of line and staff organization? What is the application of line and staff organization? This is the structure of a line and staff organization. At topmost position, general manager. Under general manager, 3 departmental head, personnel manager, works manager, chief accountant. Under works manager, plant superintendent. Next, plant superintendent, under plant superintendent, quality control inspector and repair and maintenance officer, 2 special executive to assist the line staff. They are perform specialist function. Quality control inspector and repair and maintenance officer, they are horizontal position. They have no authority. All decision, authority and responsibility on line executive. Under plant superintendent, line executive, foreman shop A, foreman shop B and foreman shop C. Under foreman shop A, these are workers. Under foreman shop B, these are the workers. Under foreman shop C, these are the workers. They control these workers. Foreman shop B control these workers. Foreman shop A control these workers. They are the line staff. Quality control inspector and repair and maintenance officer, they are special executive. They have no authority, only they do the specialist function. Their position are horizontal. Now, when the organization becomes bigger, the top line officers are overloaded with too many functions. Besides looking after production ছাড়াও, such as R&D, planning, distribution, legal, public relation, etc. Because they are busy, then it is necessary to employing of special executive to assist line executive, and they were known as staff. Special executive known as staff. Special executive দের আমরা staff বলবো, as they were recruited to perform staff or special function. Okay, they are recruited for staff or special function. Here these executive are line executive, these executive are staff executive. They perform specialist work. The line executive has supervisory authority and control over the work of their subordinate, whereas the staff executive means specialist function staff, যারা specialist function কাজ করে, whereas the staff executive help the line executive of certain specialized work and advise them on matter referred to them, but they do not have any authority. Okay, the final decision whether to accept and implement the recommendation of the staff executive means specialist executive, remain in the hands of the line executive. Staff executive যার ডিসিশন দেবে সেটা ফাইনাল অ্যাকসেপ্ট বা ইমপ্লিমেন্ট করবে কিনা সেটা ডিপেন্ড করে লাইন এক্সিকিউটিভের ওপর। দ্য ফাইনাল ডিসিশন whether to accept or implement the recommendation of the staff executive remain in the hands of the line executives. Okay, the line executives are marked vertically, whereas staff executive are placed horizontally. Okay, staff executive are horizontal position, line executive are vertical position. Okay, now what is the advantages of line and staff organization? Number one, it is a planned specialized system. Number two, less wastage of materials, man and machine hours. Number three, quality of product is improved. Number four, expert knowledge is available. Number five, disciplinary problem is solved because of line relationship. Here line relationship আছে, লাইন এক্সিকিউটিভ আছে, সেই জন্য ডিসিপ্লিন প্রবলেম ইজ সলভ বিকজ অফ লাইন রিলেশনশিপ। নাম্বার 6, sufficient time is available to general manager for future planning and expansion. Okay, now what is the disadvantages of line and staff organization? Number 1, sufficient expert knowledge and guidance is not available as compared with functional type. Functional type এ প্রচুর এক্সপার্ট নলেজেস পার্সেন্ট আমরা জয়েন্ট করাই, কাজ করে। এখানে আমরা কম সংখ্যক এক্সপার্ট নলেজ, স্পেশালাইজড নলেজ লোক নিযুক্ত করি, সেই জন্য সাফিসিয়েন্ট এক্সপার্ট নলেজ and guidance is not available as compared with functional type. Functional type এর তুলনায়। Number 2, lack of responsibility among higher level and hence the discipline as a whole will be poor. Okay? Production cost will increase because of higher salaries of staff organization. Production cost এখানে বেশি হবে because specialist staff means staff executive higher salary দিয়ে রাখতে হয়। Number 4, the slackness of any section or department will largely affect all the working. কোন একটা ডিপার্টমেন্টের স্ল্যাগনেসের জন্য বা কোন একটা সেকশনের স্ল্যাগনেসের জন্য উইল লার্জলি এফেক্ট দ্য ওয়ার্কিং, পুরো কাজটা এফেক্ট করবে। ওকে, নাও হোয়াট ইজ দ্য অ্যাপ্লিকেশন অফ line and staff organization? Line and staff organization is very common among the medium and large enterprise. This is very common type for medium and large enterprise. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.